Ah. In his... Did you enjoy?
Yes.
I know you like them. But how about Chico? Did he ride?
Yes, but he was scared.
He was scared and crying. Huh?
He didn't cry.
He didn't cry. He was just scared. Huh?
No.
Okay, let's go.
And we were going up to the gate.
Oh, really? Can we?
And I saw Christmas lights and a train.
Look, look. Naiparol nak.
Whoa.
Wow. Very nice parol. Say parol.
White
You have white parol. Up.
and blue parol.
Very good. Blue parol. It shows Christmas. Because Christmas means star. You see, there's a big star. Wow, big star.
Mom, look, there are stickers.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
1, 2, 3.
Say cheese.
Ah, cheese. Chico. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Who's the winner now? Ah. Oh. Yung isang kamay lang gumagalaw. Walking with
We
Calvi.
are about to go up to the...
At the gate.
Yes, at the gate.
Okay. Walking with Calvi. Walking all the way. Walking every day. Yahoo! You like that song? Oh, they ate Jollibee.
But I like Jollibee.
You do?
too. Yes.
Okay. What's your favorite in Jollibee?
Chicken, juice, French fries, and rice.
That's so many. Should we go to Jollibee?
Yeah.
Okay. It's your birthday soon. Huh?
I don't know, but Halloween and I was just starting. Look what I found.
Wow. Show Tito.
Tito!
Birthday na pala ni Calvi, guys. Ang ganda naman ng mga bahay. Oh, maraming bulaklak. Si Santa Claus umakyat sa bintana. Calvi, look, look. Santa Claus in the window.
Yes.
You see up in the window, up there.
Yes.
He was climbing. You see?
Yes, he's climbing.
He's climbing.
Yes. Look, there are stickers. There are stickers down.
Stickers down.
Stickers.
You have to greet them Merry Christmas. Good morning.
Mommy has a pineapple.
Pineapple?
Yes, on the door. Yummy, I love pineapple.
Me too. Calvi's birthday is coming soon. How old are you going to be?
4.
Very good. Can you show 4 in your hands? Show me number 4.
2, 3, and 4.
Very good. And what does 4-year-old do?
Clean up.
4-year-old needs to clean up. What else?
Do your work.
Very good. What else? Does 4-year-old become a big brother?
Yes. Also, when I'm free, I do my project.
Very good. You have project.
I do.
Yeah.
We are almost up to the
And even
gate.
when you're 4 years old, you're walking so big steps and fast. You see, you're even the winner. You have to wait for Brother Chico. Alright, natapos na ang mga kaarawan ng Nobyembre, guys. Ngayon naman si kulit-kulot na ang magbe-birthday. He will turn 4 years old on December 23rd. O diba, magpapasko talaga yung birthday niya. At si Auntie Christine naman ay December 24. So, isahin ko lang yung kanilang celebration. At kung meron pang matirang sobrang handa, yun na rin yung ihahanda namin sa Pasko. Tipid hacks. Grabe naman katipid. Hindi, joke lang. Pero I'm happy kasi Calvi has had an amazing 4 years old. And naalala ko yung mga moments, flashback namin ni Calvi together. So si Calvi pinanganak ko sa Thailand noong 2019. Ayun, kasagsagan ng pandemic nung pinanganak ko siya. And 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, correct. So ngayon, 4 years old na siya. Sa Thailand ko siya pinanganak. I was working as a teacher full-time. So hindi ako nakapagpa-breastfeed ng maayos. Pero okay lang, during that time, si mama yung nag-hands-on sa kanya mag-alaga kasi full-time nga ako as teacher assistant sa Thailand, isang international school. Then, when Calby turned 1, doon na kami umalis. Pumunta ng Uganda para lumipat. Calby, when I gave birth to him, it was very easy journey, you guys. It was just 30 minutes na labor. At the same time, mga 3 push lang. Okay. 3 push lang si Calby nun. Madali lang talaga siyang pinanganak. And we left the hospital the next day. Ayun. We left the hospital the next day as well. And growing up slowly, si Calby talagang sobrang kamukha ni Kuya Kahil. I will attach photos of them together here nung mga few months old pa lang si Calby. He's really super cute. Ayan. Okay, let's go. Iba kasi ang ugali ni Calby compared kay Chico. Chico is very, parang sobrang strong ni Chico. Parang laging lumalaban. Si Calby naman, sweet. Sweet yung kanyang personality. Para siyang si Kahil ngayon. Kasi si Kahil nung mga bata parang si Chico. Masyadong active, masyadong lalaking talagang parang laking Quiapo. Parang laking Tondo. You move here. Morning. Morning. Yes, see. Umabot na kami sa gate kasi dadalhin ko yung mga bata para makita nila yung rice field. No, it's not a swimming pool, anak. It's canal. It's canal. And this one, Calby, is a rice. Calby? This one is a rice.
No, it's not rice. It's playground.
Rice field. It's not playground. It's rice field. That's how rice look.
Waterfall.
Where's the waterfall?
Nothing, waterfall. There. No, there. Waterfall.
Meron kasing parang rice field dito malapit sa bahay. You see, that's how they grow grass. Huh?
Let's go playground.
A few moments later.
See what you have? Wow. The bird is so sad. It cannot fly. Let's go and try to take care of the bird. Let's go. Let's go. Bye-bye, sir. Don't squeeze the bird, okay? Hold gently. You have to give it water and rice. Yeah, let's go take the bird home so it can rest.
This bed.
Oh, you have a birthday gift.
But our bed is too big.
Yeah. You give it. Sorry, nakaon the bird. Dali tagang. Calby, come. Let's show the bird this way.
Look at that.
You're what? You see? Calby, eat. You chew properly, okay? Yan ang ulam namin, ang palaya, merong gulay dito, yan ang aking kakainin. And meron tayong boiled gonja. Right? Right, Chico?
Ganda.
Eat your lunch na. Tsaka meron akong tubig ng buko. Sobrang tamis nito, guys. You want auntie to sit beside you? Do you want? Ayan, kain na tayo, guys. May lakad ako ngayon after nito sa bangko, and then mas maganda dito na tayo sa bahay kumain kasi meron namang food. Kiss na, mama. Kiss na, dali na. Calby, dali. You want what? Huh? Eat your lunch first, okay? Alright guys, tuloy-tuloy ang ating pagnenegosyo, benta-benta. Maraming salamat sa mga orders ninyo. Sending po tayo by J&T. Ayun. Shoutout ko lang ang baon ko na sabaw ng buko. Para lagi tayong hydrated. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng bumili, lalong-lalo na ng mga gentlewoman na bag, na tote bag, na 2-in-1, na live natin kanina lang. talagang maraming nakabili guys, 8 agad. So maraming salamat. Ang sending po natin is via JNT. So mag-expect po tayo ng mga 7 to 10 working days kasi medyo may kavagalan po talaga yung JNT guys. Pero sila kasi yung customer friendly when it comes to prices. Ayun. Meron ding mga nag-order ng African pamaypay kasi meron pa tayong 10 pieces available. Last na natin yon. And of course, we also have some orders for Bangkok, Thailand fashion dresses. Ang ganda po ng quality ng mga dresses natin. Sa mga hindi updated, visit our selling page Tindera sa Africa. Ayun. Nakaano ako dyan, nagbibenta-benta ako ng sibuyas at kamatis sa profile picture para hindi kayo mawala. At wag na wag po kayong magbayad. Uulitin ko na naman to guys, pasensya na kayo kasi inis na inis talaga ako nung may mga customer na nagbe-message sa akin na nagbayad sila sa ibang pangalan. Once again, you guys, may nag-mention din na marami daw different angle yung sa scamming. Kayo alam ninyo from the very beginning na nag-business ako, isa lang talaga yung way ng aking mode of payment, which is Princess Higa GCash at Princess Higa na BDO. Again, wag na wag po kayong magbayad kay Leila, kay Mary Jane at kahit sino pa mang pangalan dyan. Basta hindi po Princess Higa yung kanilang mode of payment, wag po kayong magbayad. Ayun. Pang ano lang to guys, pang warning ko lang to, at least laging updated yung mga bago sa mga page natin. So ngayon, i-drop ko na yung mga orders ninyo. Maraming salamat once again and tuloy yung araw.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, shoutout ko lang to. Napilitan akong mag-shoutout kasi meron tayong mga responsibility as kapatid. Ayun. So shoutout Glowtick Merchandise. Andito yan sa Tiesa Street, opposite ng Diagan Hospital. Meron silang mini mart, ayan. So kung may kailangan kayo guys, meron silang tindahan dito sa GJA Mini Mart. Kompleto po sila lahat dyan. So may mga services kayo na kailangan. Meron silang LPG, meron silang groceries, merong ice cream, tubig, lahat. And bumili lang ako ng pasalubong para kay Kulot at kay Chico. Cheat day nila today, ayun. Sana matuwa sila sa Chupa Chups. Yung lollipop lang sa kanila guys, ito ang akin sa taas. Parang ganda kasi ng kulay. Alright, let's go. Parang naglaway kasi ako dito sa kanilang Chupa Chups na candy. Tikman natin kasi sour daw eh. Maasim nga talaga. Sarap. So, ngayon ang pupuntahan ko na naman next ay meron akong invitation galing sa isang snack house dito sa Jensan. Nakaka-open lang nila. At since nasa area lang ako, pupuntahan natin together guys. Isama ko kayo para naman makita ninyo yung mga nasa startup na mga business dito at kung ano yung ginagawa nila. This one is called Savory Bites. Ayun. Shoutout kay Ate Che na nag-message sa akin to check them out. So let's go together. Alam niyo, nakakatuwa dito sa Jensan kasi pabata ng pabata yung mga business owner. Maganda kasi talagang nag-venture sila at nag-take risk. Dito lang yun eh, malapit lang eh. Nandito na ako sa area. Alright guys. Yung madam nyo na hindi maingat. Andito na tayo ngayon sa Savory Bites dahil nakatanggap tayo ng magandang invitation dito. Pero in fairness, aray, naipit yung tiyan ko. Okay, andito tayo sa Savory Bites Food and Drinks. So ang pagkakaalam ko, this is a snack place at malapit lang yung kanyang location sa isang university school. So i-check out naman natin ano yung ginagawa nila dito kasi kaka-start lang daw nilang mag-business. Let's go inside. Hello! Start. When did you guys start? Aba, English? Dapat English. So your name is?
Ayan.
Ayan, ikaw ang owner?
Dalawa kami.
Wow, that's good. Congratulations, sabi. Very young business ventures. I like that. Oh, 'di ba, guys? Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kaya ako nag-iipon ngayon kasi ayokong magnegosyo yung mga anak ko na gamit 5-6 kasi baka malubog sila sa utang. Utang ba 'to?
Actually, biryani yung main.
Biryani. So sino nagluluto? Oh, biryani is Indian. So sino gumagawa ng Indian food? He traveled to India already? Or favorite niya lang talaga
Family niya.
Family niya?
Naka-abroad na.
Okay.
That's why tinuruan siya.
Parang parang pag sa Thailand ka nag-stay, meron ka ding makuha na mga dish and menu. Ayun. Samosa. May samosa sila guys. Samosa is actually also in Uganda. Isa sa pinaka-famous na street food sa Uganda, Africa ay ang samosa. So meron din pala sila. Alright, ganito ang kanyang itsura. Ayan guys, so andito tayo ngayon, like I said kanina, ulit-ulit. Baka makalimutan ninyo guys, ulitin natin Savory Bites, ayan guys. Sana alam nila na babayaran ko to kasi parang naparami Pero actually gusto ko talaga siyang itry. Kasi talk of the town talaga daw ang kanilang biryani. Eto, wow. Uy, in fairness, shout out sa owner nitong Savory Bites. They are young and full of hope, and of course talagang nag-take sila ng risk to start this business. So sa lahat sa inyo, if you want mag-try ng mga bagong bukas na snack house, or if you are hungry, try Savory Bites you guys. Malapit lang to sa Notre Dame University, and meron silang mga masasarap na mga snacks. Minsan kasi iniisip natin, no, dapat sikat na, dapat may pangalan na para masarap. Not all the time. Ako mahilig akong mag-venture sa mga food and places kasi they are the ones who will surprise you. So, try natin to. This is what they call pakora chicken. Nice, pakora. Okay, wala akong masyadong vocabulary, no, para sa pagkain kasi hindi naman tayo chef. Pero this one is very nice. Ang dami niyang lasa and malambot ang karne. Wow. This one is family friendly. Try din natin yung iba. Pero let me tell you guys about their story ng business. Mamaya, kwentuhan ko kayo kasi sobrang interesting. At gustong-gusto ko yung mga ganong klaseng startup. Nakaka-inspire. Okay? And I always tell you na for me, I find satisfaction in meeting new people kasi you don't know what you will learn from them. And just by stopping by here at Savory Bites, I learned a lot from these two young teenagers, 23 years old, na nag-start ng kanilang business. So, goods tayo dyan guys. Let's try this food and we shall see.
A few moments later.
Alright. Okay guys. Parang napapasubo tayo ng kain dito Sabi pa naman ng doktor sa akin, ay langga, iwasan mo na yung kanin kaya ang anak mo, ang laki-laki, ang taba-taba na. So anyway, try natin to. Ang kanilang, actually guys, yung kanilang storya ng kanilang business, parang naalala ko si Rosmar. Kasi si Rosmar nagsimula lang din sa Madre de Cacao. Sila naman nagsimula sa mangga. Tsaka sa biryani. So, try natin itong kanilang mangga together. Sa mga OFW na nanonood, alam ko maglalaway kayo dito, guys. So, sabi nila, ang mangga, syempre masarap naman talaga yung mangga sa Pilipinas, pero magkakatalo sa sauce. So, ayan. Man natin together. Tumutulo yung laway ko sabay sa kagat. Sarap nga guys. Iba yung homemade na alamang. Ito talagang mawawala yung cravings mo. Kaya pala Kasi ang nirequest ko spicy. Ang sarap nga ng pagka-spicy niya. Isa pa nga. Ay. So lahat naman nag-crave ng alamang at saka mangga, and you want to have a sit and you want to spend time with your friends, visit nyo tong Savory Bites, you guys. The place is so aesthetic at sobrang chill. Nagbukas din sila ng kanilang branch sa Oval. So check them out as well if you want to try good food, new good food, at sawa na kayo dun sa mga paulit-ulit na lang na pagkain dito sa Jensen. Try niyo yung luto ng Savory Bites. Next we will try is etong biryani. Ang biryani ay ang familiar kasi living in Thailand for 10 years. And we know that our brothers and sisters na Indians, they are also like Filipinos. Kahit saan din sila comfortable tumira. So, mapa-Thailand man at Uganda, I was able to see this biryani a lot. Pero, sa Thailand ko lang siya natikman. So, try natin itong kanilang biryani. Kasi, sabay daw to sa kanilang well-known na mangga sauce. Grabe guys, mga bata pa lang sila, makaluto na sila ng ganito. 23 years old pa lang yung kanilang chef, guys. Lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo na it's always good to take risk. Katulad ng story ng mga owners ng Savory Bites, kasi kanina nakipag-chika-chika muna ako sa kanila while waiting. And then I found out the story of their business na they really started with mangga at saka biryani at pumatok. So now they are trying to make it bigger by risking more. So there's a lot of good things na nangyayari for risking more. And eto nga, sa harapan natin, ang dami nilang sinerve. At hindi kayo maniwala man kayo sa hindi, guys. 23 years old ang nagluto ng mga pagkain na to. Imagine nyo naman yan. Lahat yan. So, natikman ko na yung kanilang biryani. Gusto kong kumain ng bongga, guys. Mamaya na kayo siguro mag-chika.
Later.
Okay guys, syempre hindi mawawala yung dessert. So, tikman na natin yung dessert bago pa mapuno yung chan ko dito. So for dessert, meron tayong croissant. Social spell croissant. Tinapay lang alam ko talaga guys ba. Anyway, meron siyang ano yan, toppings na cream tsaka chocolate. So, let's have a bite. Alam ko na kung saan ko dadalhin si Kahil. Kasi si Kahil sobrang mahilig din sa pagkain. Wala na guys. Kinain ko na pati yung bukas. Diet na tayo ng ilang araw. Siyempre, para hindi tayo mabulunan, kailangan natin ng juice. At ako guys, kapag nakita ko yung guyabano juice, yun talaga yung #1 na choice. Kasi guyabano has a lot of health benefits. At saka hindi na siya basta-basta nakikita ngayon guys, lalo na sa mga syudad. Mabuti na lang, nasa palengke pa siya. Pero yung mga tanim before, way back, nakapitbahay mo lang, o andyan lang sa gilid, wala na mga ganun.
No, it looks like a... It looks like a boat.
Okay, big bite. Ice cream. You like it?
But what if I get dirty?
Okay.
I think
Big bite for the bread.
donut.